Oh, that's my coffee. Don't drink coffee. You had your first fight with a local cat. Huh? A black and white one. Came out of nowhere. Came out of nowhere. What are you eating? Eating seaweed? A sponge?
All right, this is pretty sketchy.
That could be like a whole big pee jug.
Oh my gosh, somebody...
Is that possible? It looks very yellow.
Somebody might have been peeing in there. Hey, we don't... The toilets. Yeah, it's really not that old.
But you still can't dump your toilet in here.
No, I don't know if it's hooked up to anything anymore. All right, so there's one...
That's not chopping up down the fish, is it? I make the chip choke. Look at her.
Thank you. He's drinking the, looking at the water.
It's not gonna taste good, Toby.
He did it though.
Look who else did it.
Hi.